So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Mayya Tech. So today I am going to unbox this Mi 11 Lite and also give review about it. So let's begin. So now let's open the box. User manual, USB Type-C headphone jack 3.5 mm. This is the phone. Let's slowly open this. It's seriously very light, guys. Now let's see what is more in the box. "33 watts charger, and USB Type-C charger. This is very light and very slim phone, and its color is jazz blue color. You will get another two color, which is Tuscany coral and another is black phenyl. Mi 11 Lite is the slimmest smartphone of 2021 at 6.8 mm thickness, and its weight is 157 grams. Now let's talk about ports and buttons. You will see a SIM card drill, USB Type-C port, micro speaker drill, and this side power on off button, volume, and at this side nothing. Now let's talk about display. You will get to see 6.55 inches OLED display and Gorilla Glass protection and 90 Hz of refresh rate. And now let's talk about its specifications. This is a 4G phone, and Mi also have claimed that they will bring its 5G variant of it. So for now it is a 4G phone which is based upon Qualcomm Snapdragon 532G, and its base variant is 6GB2, and its battery power is 4250 milliampere battery, which is very good. Now let us see the camera features. You will get to see 16 plus 8 plus 5 megapixel camera and 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now you can even capture videos in 4K, and it also have the feature of motion object tracking, which means when you record a moving object, it records steadily. It has a very good camera quality. It has a AI cinematic recorder, which means you can record vlogs and videos very easily by using its theme. It captures very minor details, and I say the camera quality is very good. Its price is 24,999. And I recommend this phone because it gives. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.